Welcome back to Bobby Adams World. Today we have a 1959 VW Beetle Deluxe. This is a really cool car. The Deluxe, it's got the factory sliding ragtop, which is a really rare option. And the Deluxe has all the chrome bumpers and accessories and stuff. They're not like the base Beetle model. But this is a California car. I got this car from an estate. A woman, her father owned it for like 35 years in Southern California, and it was parked, believe it or not, for 25 years. And it was sitting next to a 31 Cadillac V12. But this is literally the way you see it almost when we got it out of the storage building. It was just covered in dust. But it's a really nice car. It was restored 25 years ago. I think it's called Strato Blue. It's like this is like the most popular blues they had back in the day. But it's got all brand new Coker US Royal tires from Coker. We went through it all mechanically. But as you see it, the paint, the interior, everything was done 25 years ago. So the car is done right. It's a straight, rust-free California car. Really clean Beetle. It's not one that has been messed with at all. So I do these videos just to walk around the car and show you. It's basically a walk around condition report. But again, total rust-free body, original panels, original floor plan. All the body fits excellent. I don't think it's ever been in an accident. You can see the paint is absolutely gorgeous on it. I mean, I don't think there's a chip, ding, or dent in the car at all. All beautiful glass, all nice rubber around the glass. All the trim's in great shape. The fit is excellent. It's got the accessory bumpers with the bumper guards, which are really cool, and they're gorgeous. I mean, the chrome's absolutely beautiful on it. All the headlight rings are beautiful. The lenses are excellent. Original emblem on it. It's got some original chrome. I'm guaranteed the bumper's been done for sure at one time. All the fender lining, I forget what they call that, but that's all new and they did it. The paint, wheels have all been painted. Hubcaps are beautiful on it. Just a really super straight little bug. Or Beetle, we're gonna call it. But all the rubbers around the windows are nice. I have this window down, but all the glass is in great shape. The doors fit excellent. We did the original rubber on the running boards here. We replaced that. All new trim. We did a few little things. It's got, but you can see the fit and finish on the car is just phenomenal. It's got the Southern California AAA Club sticker that was on the car when we got it. Again, got the accessory bumper guards in the back, beautiful chrome. But you can see some original, like the taillights are original and the bezels. I just kind of like that, some patina on there from originality. But you can see there's no damage, dings, or anything. Beautiful chrome, all the rubber's in great shape. It's a really straight car. Again, you can see the nice running boards. You can see all the nice rubber here. And again, this car, all this rubber is 25 plus years old. It was in really good storage. But you don't find them like this, I don't think, very often. I don't do a lot of Beetles, but I don't buy very many of them because I don't see that many very nice ones. The only imperfection I can see is a little touch up right here. Again, if I never point it out, you never see it. But right there, that is the only imperfection on the paint. But it's really smooth body. On the interior here, it's all redone. The correct like two-tone gray. It's got the right steering wheel, is gorgeous. The gauge works. All the dash is in great shape. This has all been restored. We did have, it had a radio delete in it, so we put a radio. It's got the fitted like AM FM radio with Bluetooth. The wipers work. What else? Really nice headliner in it. I'm gonna show you how that works there too. This is really fun. You lift that, and the brake top slides all the way back. So it's like basically having a convertible. They are pretty fun cars to drive. And before we go on the other side, I'm going to show you the engine. It's all stock and clean in here. And we did a basic tune-up, fresh gas, cleaned the gas tank out, new belts, and it runs really nice, runs and drives great. But it's not all hot rod or anything like that. And then I'm gonna take this stuff out. This is a thing for the radio, but it's got the original. It's kind of cool. It shows originality. It's got the original glove box liner in there. This is all the stuff for the radio, but it's really nice and tidy in the car. Everything's clean. All the seat frames. And open up underneath the hood here. And under here, it's got a new spare tire. But this looks like all original in here. Like we just cleaned the original tank out. But really nice and solid, as you can see. Underneath the spare is solid. There's no rust, zero rust in the car at all. But super clean bug, and we'll take it for a spin next. So we're gonna take it for a spin. The fire's right up. We got like a new radio in here. It's got a new speaker. It's all Bluetooth. It's got fire up, but it does work. The wipers work. All the lights work. Directionals work. Speedo works. It's got all new shifters. So the emergency brake, that all works. So let's take it for a spin. The brakes were also gone through from sitting. You gotta go, it's kind of the basic things you go through when your car's been sitting. It shows 68,000 miles. It possibly could be original, I have no idea. But it's a really nice driving car. It's actually surprising, really nice and tight. Stops good. Shifts nice and smooth, the clutch is good. And it drives like a nice Volkswagen should. It's definitely not a rocket ship, but it cruises down the road nicely. And it's really fun with the top down and everything. It's like the feel of a convertible, but without. But the car's right here in Scottsdale. If you want to come look at it, drive it, you're more welcome to. We can help with shipping anywhere in the country or in the world. But it's a really nice car, and if you're looking for one, don't miss out on this one. So if you're interested in looking at the car, I'm in Scottsdale, but I do these videos so you don't have to. You know what you're buying. I do a lot of stuff all over the world, sight unseen. Shipping, just let me know. I can definitely connect you with people anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely do not wait out. Nice cars like this do not last long. So thank you. So if you're looking to sell a classic car, or even considering selling a classic car, click the link below, tell me what you have. If it's one car, two cars, a whole collection of cars, someone left you a whole estate of cars, memorabilia, anything like this, tell me what you got. I'd love to check it out. I may be a buyer myself, but for the most, you'll get a free appraisal. I'll tell you what it's worth, depending on how fast you want to sell it or what you want to deal with. I'll tell you where to go to get the most money, or the most I'll pay for it. So again, click the link below, tell me what you got. Bobby Adams World, don't forget it. I'm on all social platforms, and I really look forward to seeing what you have. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.